Here we are on roller coaster on the upside down double rollies. Pauline's gonna hit them. Here we go. Show us how it's done. Yeah! Yes! And that's how you ride the double rollies on roller coaster. Come down, enjoy the Don Valley. Great day. Ran into Mr. Zach Wells, who's doing 1,500 kilometers for the Great Cycle Challenge on a unicycle. He needs a donation. Amazing guy. The second screwdriver big drop. Pauline's gonna show us how. That's it. Yes! Well done. And that's how we ride the second big drop on screwdriver.
Coming down the Trash Panda downhill. Somebody's calling, says to wait till his phone stops ringing while I get bit by mosquitoes. Mosquito bugs. Rolling in.
Yeah!
Woo! You did?
Trash Panda, downhill. Stress less, ride more. Ride smart, ride safe. Take care.